Hey guys, what's up? Just finished getting my ears done. I kinda took the morning off of work, but whatever. Anyway, my hair looks awful today. Oh my gosh. Anyway, I'm just chilling in the car. I'm waiting for my mom, but she's not back yet, so what's a girl to do, right? Anyway, yeah, so I'm gonna vlog. I'm gonna try and vlog this week, so yay, get excited. Woo! Anyway, I'm really hungry, so I'm hoping we go get some grub soon, because I'm starving. Ow, damn it. Just hit my freaking ear. Yeah, right here it hurts. Hurts a little bit. Anyway, probably gonna switch that at some point soon, hopefully. And I'm not getting my hair highlighted. I'm very sad about it. I wanted to, like, really badly, actually, to be honest with you. But I have tried to talk to my mom about hair chalk. So, you might see some blue on this in the summer. Just saying, or maybe some light pink or something. Or, yeah. Because I really want my hair done light blue. Like, so badly. I don't know why. I just want, like, the ends, like, balayage blue. But now it's too short for that, so it'll have to go with streaks. My hair is, like, so dark to begin with, so it's like it'll probably not really show through, like, at all, but what the heck, right? Anyway, this has been a long intro clip. I will see you guys in a bit. Bye! Hey guys, I'm gonna do an outfit of the day quickly. This is Old Navy, this Walmart capris, Nola, and shoes, Airwash. Guys, so just finished up lunch. About to head out, go see my dog. Maybe I'll get some footage of my bag. I don't know. Oh jeez, hot mess. Hot mess of that. Nothing some dry shampoo can't fix. I don't feel like washing it. Yeah. There's this, like, little baby over there. Oh my goodness. Cutest. Swig a pop for the baby. Anyway. So I'm here with this weirdo! My baby. Miss me. Mwah. Oh, big goofball. Come here. Come here. Dummy. Dummy. Dummy, dummy, dummy. You're so sweet. You're so sweet. Hi guys! Hey guys! I haven't updated since yesterday and I apologize. Not really. Anyway, just go to the shower, just finished cleaning my room actually, and finish up my last minute packing for Blue Mountain next week! Sorry, I'm excited.
Next stop, Lime Ridge at Britain Close. Next stop, West 5th at Jamestown.
You're awfully hard to control, especially when you get two youngsters in there like Anthony Michaels and Doug Dalton. These guys don't have a lot of experience, and I think it's showing here.
Exactly. They bring Dalton in the corner, double up. Kujak takes the tag, moves back out. He gets armed with cross ring, high for the backdrop, and Kujak on the move.
Les, I don't know of any team that I've seen come into professional wrestling in recent years that you might say is devastating as these two right here.
Exactly. They have made enemy after enemy. I'd say maybe a fan or two, and I don't know where they would be, Bob, but these guys don't even care. They're mean, I think, when they go to sleep at night.
Here's Dalton down on the mat now, being ripped at the face now by Kujak. With a knee to the back. They haven't even gone. They haven't attempted a pin. It's just like they want to kick him around, maul him around, stomp him around the ring a little bit, beat him up, hurt him bad. That's what their intentions are at the moment. Look at those diving head
Hey guys, what's up? Just wanted to say hey. I'm just chilling in the bed, doing some drawing. Still not feeling any better. Anyway, like my chest is really tight and I can't breathe. And it really hurts. So yeah, I'm gonna get looked at tomorrow. Yay! Anyway, and I actually have to go get my eyebrows done tomorrow too. Hashtag brows on fleek, LOL. Yeah, so. Oh, just watching some old Smoky Mountain Wrestling. Just chilling in my room. Just tired. Anyway, see you guys. Hey guys, what's up? Yeah, I'm just chilling in my bed still. I haven't moved since, yeah. I'm like almost asleep too. So I'm probably gonna take my melatonin and go to bed early. My throat really hurts, so it's hard to talk, and I sound like a man. And my eyes are half open, so I'm just gonna go to bed, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Good night. Morning. What's up? Just wanted to say hey. This is called I'm too freaking lazy to do my hair. Anyway, I'm probably pretty sure I'm gonna have to change it before I go out, but I have to go to the doctor's, but I don't have an appointment yet. I have to call in a little while. My throat really hurts. Hey. What's up? Just got those pills, got my stuff. I have Josh's appointment this afternoon at 4. So I've been at home for a little bit. I'll do some stuff around the house. Get in the shower. Go get my brows done. Because, yeah, they're looking rough. And I'm not looking like this for next week. And hi guys. I'm actually I'm home. By the way, I'm home. I got my brows done. She kind of butchered them on the side. So, like, one's wonky and one's not. But whatever, I guess. That done. And so, I'm about to get in the shower, and then I have to do some stuff, and then I have to go to the doctor, so, yay. Bye. Hey guys, I'll show you what I'm wearing quickly to the doctor's today. I left my hair natural. Put some product in it. T-shirts from Old Navy, tank top Old Navy, shorts, I believe it's Chanel, I don't actually remember, and sandals. No clue, because they were my mom's. So that's what I'm wearing today. So leave what you're wearing in the comments. Hello, lovelies. I'm at the doctor's office. Ow, that hurt. Got my coffee in my hand. Not really, it's right here. I'm choking like a madman still. Alright, I gotta go. Hi guys! I'm home! My room is now done. And my closet is looking amazing. I'm so happy. Glad it's done. And by the way, I'm on 2 puffers. Yay! Whatever. At least I'm starting to feel better and I sort of have a voice again. But the one downside, like from the steroid that they gave me to put in my, like, whatever, they said my hands would, like, shake and quiver really badly, and he's like, oh yeah, it's a rare case, blah, 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 it won't happen, yeah, my hand's been shaking, like, since after I took it, and I'm terrified, because I'm scared, I don't know what's gonna happen, but at least I'm starting to feel better, and at least I have a voice back again, so I can't really complain there. Anyway, yeah, I'm really just chilling in my bed now. Like, I'm gonna finish off my room, show you what it looks like when it's done. Bye! So yeah, I lied. I'm gonna end off my vlog, and I will see you guys in a couple minutes, because I'm gonna start another one. Bye!